What's up YouTube, it's Gordon here from Gordo's Photos. Bought a new lens today, but before we open it, let's roll the intro. So as you heard, we bought a new lens today. Reason I bought a new lens is I had an opportunity tonight, which is tonight, I haven't done it yet, to shoot at a nightclub. Something different, something new, but I realized other than my 50mm prime lens, I didn't have a lens that was any good for low light photography. So I thought I was needing to get a new lens, something a bit more versatile, something that was going to be good for low light, but something that was good for a bit of everything. So we picked up the new Nikon AFS DX 18-140 f3.5 5.6G EDVR lens. This is a DX lens. It is designed for the D5600, the lens, crop censored, crop frame, the cropped censored framed cameras. So let's do an unboxing of this one. Let's roll the camera down a little bit and we'll go from there. Alrighty, let's see what's in the box. The box itself, pretty cool, as all Nikon lens boxes are. They're all nice and gold and look really cool. Bit of plastic, who cares? Bit of cardboard, who cares? The actual lens itself, initial thoughts, it feels nice and heavy. Doesn't feel stupidly heavy, but it does feel nice. That I think would be a nice add, a nice bit of weight to the front of the camera. Looks like that's about it, other than paperwork, warranty cards. That's it. Yeah, alright, so let's hold the box aside for now. Worry about the warranty paperwork later, of course. So yeah, initial thoughts, it looks like a nice strong lens. Comes out nice, fairly nice big zoom on it. It just feels nice and heavy, nicely weighted. Obviously you've got your Nikon lens cap on the front, and the one on the rear, and the dust cap on the rear. Let's chuck her on the camera. Alright, that looks pretty cool. In my opinion, that looks pretty cool. I know the look of the lens really isn't the whole lens, but yeah, feels cool. Feels like it's nicely weighted. Doesn't feel like it's going to overbearingly weigh out my hand overnight throughout the shoot. Let's flick her on. Nice zoom on it. Alrighty, looks good. Alrighty, as I said, I should be using this lens tonight. I have borrowed a flashlight from, or speed light, sorry, from one of my friends to help out with the lighting for the shoot. But let's see how she operates tonight. I'll do the rest of this video tomorrow morning, probably a little bit hungover, and see how we go.
The next morning.
What's up YouTube? It's the next day after my big photo shoot last night. All I can say is it went really well. I really enjoyed myself. It was first experience shooting in that environment. First time shooting lots of people, random people that I don't know. I've done a lot of photo shoots with my family and stuff like that just as practice, but this was the first time taking photos of people. I knew a lot of them, but I didn't know most of them. So it was really good. It was a really great experience. The Nikon 18-140 lens went beautifully. The photos turned out fantastic. I've gone through and edited most of them already. They all look really good. The client was happy, which is even better. Yeah, it went really well. The lens itself, there was very little noise, very little grain in the photos. So that was really good. It didn't weigh down my arm too much with the even with the speed light on top of it. It still felt really good. So yeah, all in all, very happy with this lens. If you are looking for a new lens for your camera, There's Amazon links below and eBay links below where you can buy these lenses. You don't pay any more for doing so. All it does is help me out, help build my channel. I get paid a very small commission for doing so by using my link. You don't pay any more for it, so it's definitely a win-win for everyone. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that big like button below. It really does help. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. I am trying to put out a new video once a week on a Wednesday night, Australian Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully, I'll keep up to that. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.